What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We've got your Christmas decorations sorted out for you this evening as well. We're back to our affirmations. Our 5-minute affirmations is back at the end of the show as well. So what were you all waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a life coach and sketch artist. I'm a portrait artist. I draw people's portraits as well as their animals and pets for them too. I also create designs for my Redbubble store and create and publish my own books on my Amazon KDP store account too. If you want to check out any of my stuff, just click the link that's in the description below. I also upload art therapy videos on this show and also mandala drawings on a Wednesday too. I've also just been creating, as you can see, this big mandala piece at the back of me here. There is a video that I have created in making this in making this mandala. Just click that link just at the top there. It will probably be up by the time I have created this video and edited, so the video should be up and should be where I've just clicked, where I've just pointed at that link, so there should be one there. So if you want to check that video out and see my progression in making that piece, then click on that video. I'm going to be doing more pieces to this video. It's quite a big wall it is, so I'm going to be adding more bits and pieces to it. Going to be making it that little bit more bigger, and I'm going to be making some more bigger mandalas on the wall as well. And today's Christmas decoration pieces, as you've seen in the thumbnail, we are going to be making these really cool, let me just put the one up, really cool yarn balls. We just place your fairy lights inside them. I've made these 3 and they look absolutely cool. So this video is coming up on how to make yourself these yarn balls. So what you're waiting for, folks, let's roll the video. Creatives, you would need some old bits of paper, a little tub, some yarn, a balloon, some gloves, a brush, glue, PVA glue, and some water. You won't need a lot of water, just a decent amount. Okay, first thing we'll do first is blow up our balloon. Make it a nice round shaped balloon. And also cut yourself a decent amount of yarn. You're going to need quite a bit. I just went on and on and on, unraveling it all, and I just cut a piece off. Next, you want to add your glue to your pot. A nice fair amount of glue to go in, and then you want to add probably about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of water to your glue and give it a good old mix. Once you have mixed up all your glue, what you want to do then is just start to add in your thread. Make sure it's all unraveled first, and then just start placing it in bit by bit, covering all completely in the PVA glue. Okay, make sure you've got all your yarn covered in glue. Make sure the end is sticking out. What you want to do then is take the end of the yarn and you're going to make a knot into the end, and then place that knot over the end of your balloon and tie it securely. Then you want to start winding the yarn around your balloon, making it nice and neat, going fully around the balloon, going in the same direction at first and then start going round in the opposite way. Keep on doing this until you have completely covered your balloon with the yarn. Keep on wrapping it round. Once you have completely covered your balloon with the yarn, you just want to take the end piece and just tuck it underneath one of the other bits of yarn that you have been winding over your balloon. Once you have done that, cut another piece of thread off, and then you're going to want to hang your balloon somewhere high up, either from a light or something like that, and you want to hang it up and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Once dry, what you're going to want to do is take yourself the end of a brush or a spatula, anything like that, and you're going to want to start to release the yarn away from the balloon just by pushing the balloon slightly, trying not to make it pop, and you want to get rid of all the yarn that's stuck to the balloon, trying to separate the two together. Keep on pushing it through. Once you have done a fair amount, then snip the top of your balloon and let it deflate. What I did here, I think I pushed a bit too hard, I did at one point, and the balloon did actually pop, but it was actually quite good though. It didn't cave in any of the yarn or anything like that. And this is how it will look. Once you pop your balloon, it will start to deflate inside of your yarn ball. What you want to do then is just take off any little bits and pieces and then snip off the top and remove the balloon. Once you've removed your balloon, you'll find that there's always little bits of glue that's stuck inside that you can see. What you want to do is just use a brush, a nice dry brush, and just clean up all the glue that's inside. Once you've cleaned it all up, start feeding your fairy lights inside of your yarn ball. I made quite a few, so if you do make quite a few balls, what you want to do then is, once you've fed most of all your lights inside of one, the end of those fairy lights, pull them back through and then just start feeding through your next yarn ball, and keep on doing that to how many balls that you have made. And there we have it, folks, your Christmas yarn balls, all ready for your Christmas tree and for any part of your house to be decorated. How was that video for you guys? Hit the like if you did. Give us a comment as well on how you got on in making those. And I want to see your creations too. Upload them onto your Instagram account and tag me in them, Romeo_sketches. And now it's time for you to chill out, relax, get to yourself nice and motivated, have that positive feeling about yourself. And let's start our 5-minute affirmation. Relax, people. Close your eyes and get comfortable. Sit back and relax and listen to these words. Happiness is a choice. I base my happiness on my own accomplishments and the blessings I've been given. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My potential to succeed is infinite. My thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is plentiful with prosperity. Everything that is happening now is happening for my ultimate good. Though these times are difficult, they are only a short phase of life. I am conquering my illness. I am defeating it steadily each day. My life is just beginning. I always fight for myself and for what I believe in. I won't be used or taken advantage of. I'm no one's doormat. I define who I am. I decide what I do. I control how I live my life. No one will break me down on the inside unless I let them. I have great ideas, and I'm not afraid to share them. I don't give up when things get difficult. I expect to work for what I want. I know when to meet a challenge head on and when to walk away. I dream, I believe, I receive. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. I believe in the person I am becoming. Visualize your higher self and start showing up as them. The secret of success is found in your daily routine. My income is constantly increasing, and I am wealthy beyond my wildest dreams. I am limitless, and anything is possible. I wake up each morning feeling confident and empowered. Be the best version of you. Great things never came from comfort zones. I am full of energy and am feeling fueled to tackle any things I have to do today. I choose to be happy. I am grateful for everything and everyone I have in my life. Thank you for listening. Now slowly open your eyes. Breathe in deeply and feel more relaxed. Thank you again for listening. Peace out. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off.